Tottenham fans were losing their heads in the recent Chelsea game and even had some heated exchanges with the Blues stars. It all kicked off with shouts from Spurs supporters telling Wesley Fofana to sit down as the Blues controlled the 1-0 win. Meanwhile, Pedro Neto reacted hilariously to the taunts, sticking his tongue out and laughing in response. Meanwhile, poor Josh Acheampong found himself under pressure. A fan yelled at him, "What are you looking at, twat?" The youngster looked visibly confused by the reaction. A video of the incident made its way to social media, where Chelsea fans took delight in Neto's actions. One reacted saying, "I love him even more now, proper Chels." Another added, "This is the funniest thing I've seen in a while, man." A third wrote, "Beautiful rage baiting by Neto."
Shut up! Get out! Get out, you twat! Get out! You embarrass me! What are you looking at, twat?
They go level on points with Spurs, but goal difference means they are one place behind their rivals in 5th. It was a match to forget for Tottenham, with Mickey van der Ven and Jed Spence appearing to Tottenham boss Thomas Frank at full time in bizarre scenes.